Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma along with Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong, accompanied by a delegation comprising of all MDA partners on Friday, called on Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh to oppose the Citizenship Amendment Bill. The Chief Minister briefed the Union Minister that all the 6 coalition partners including UDP, BJP, HSPDP, PDF, NCP and Independents were of the view that the bill will disturb the social fabric of Meghalaya and the Northeast by posing serious law and order problem in the region. The Chief Minister along with his Mizoram counterpart Zoramthanga also had a detailed discussion with Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh to express concern and dissatisfaction of the people of Northeast against the bill.
And I think we have expressed our concerns about the citizenship bill and the amendment to citizenship bill, and all the coalition partners from Meghalaya, from the Meghalaya government, and even the Honorable Minister from Mizoram have expressed their dissatisfaction overall and their concerns about this bill, and they've asked the government to reconsider and think about this. And so therefore we hope that the government will reconsider and think about it. The modification is not something that is there on the cards right now, but not to go ahead with this at this moment. No, he said that he'll definitely look into it, and I think Mr. Rajnath Singh plans to call all the chief ministers of the Northeast for a meeting. So I think it will be in detailed consultation we will discuss this. But we have expressed our concerns, expressed the concerns of different political parties, different civil societies and the public of Northeast in general, that this is a bill that is something that most of the people in Northeast will not accept. Call, as I said, when the time comes. So we are still in discussion with them. So I think it will be not the correct time to comment on that. Absolutely, absolutely. And I think all the Northeast states, in fact, the Mizoram Chief Minister also was with us, and he's also made the same comments. And let us see how things go now. And we are hoping that the government will be considered.